run. E is for elephants, big and strong. F is for frogs that hop all along. G is for grass, so fresh and green. H is for houses, cozy and clean. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jelly that wiggles in my tummy. K is for kites that fly so high. L is for ladybugs dancing in the sky. M is for moon that glows at night. N is for nests tucked out of sight. O is for oranges, round and bright. P is for puppies that bring delight. Q is for queens in castles tall. R is for rain, we hear it fall. S is for stars that twinkle so bright. T is for trains that zoom out of sight. U is for umbrellas on rainy days. V is for violets in purple arrays. W is for whales so big in the sea. X is for xylophones with tunes full of glee. Y is for yo-yo spinning around. Z is for zebras with stripes that astound.